In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then you can click on this gear next to Google under Auto Service and hit Google Password Manager, or select Google under Passwords. Either way, from here tap on one of your passwords and enter your screen lock. Now to get rid of it completely, hit Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!